So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. Now once you're on Task Manager, you want to look for Epic Games Launcher. If you see Epic Games Launcher, you want to click on it and then click on End Task. And now you want to head over to the Details tab. And then once you're on this, you want to do the same thing. If you see Epic Games Launcher, you want to right click on it and then click on End Process Tree. And now in the bottom right of your taskbar, you want to click on the arrow. And if you see Epic Games Launcher, you want to right click on it and then click on Exit. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in Run. And then you want to type in temp and click on enter. Now once you're on this, we're going to click on Ctrl A on our keyboard and then click on delete, which will delete all these temporary files. If you get this, click on use for all current items and then click on continue. And then click on cancel. You're going to get some files that remain, but most of the temporary files are going to be deleted. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in Epic Games Launcher. You want to right click on it and then click on open file location. Now once you're on this, you want to right click on Epic Games Launcher again and then click on properties. And then click on the compatibility tab, and then you want to take disable full screen optimizations and click on OK. Now you want to right click on Epic Games Launcher again, and then click on open file location. And you want to do the same thing with the Epic Games Launcher.exe. You want to right click on it, properties, compatibility, disable full screen optimizations, and then click on OK. Now we're going to head over to search again and type in Epic Games Launcher, click on it. Now once you're on this, we're going to head over to our library. And then you want to find the game that you want to play. You want to click on the three dots, and then click on manage, and then click on verify. Now you want to open up your game and then the problem should be fixed. But if it's not fixed, then just restart your computer and then that should fix the problem.